In this video, I'm about to show you how to connect Firebase to Unity. First, create a Firebase project at firebase.google.com for your Unity app. Download the Firebase Unity SDK from the Firebase console or the official website. Now import the SDK packages into your Unity project using assets, go to import package and select custom package. Then, register your app by adding your Unity platform, iOS or Android in the Firebase console. Download Google Services.gz on Android or Google Service Info.plist iOS and add them to your project. Next, add the necessary Firebase libraries like Auth, database from the SDK to your scene or script. After that, initialize Firebase in your coding using the command shown on the screen. Enable necessary services like Authentication, Firestore, or Analytics in the Firebase console. Test your Firebase connection by logging in events or writing or reading data in your Unity app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.